Operations at Kingston Wharves suspended today following bomb threat. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Operations at Kingston Wharves have been suspended today following a bomb threat. In a release, Kingston Wharves Limited says that it has closed all its warehouse and terminal facilities out of an abundance of caution and concern for the safety of its team members and customers. The police and other relevant emergency responders are on site, carrying out the necessary security checks and assessment. The public will be advised regarding the full resumption of the operations. This is the third business day disrupted due to bomb threats to various institutions across the island. On Friday, the police revealed that 71 institutions were impacted with a series of bomb threats, which started last Thursday. The Spanish Town Hospital and the St. Catherine Parish Court were among the institutions targeted. All the other institutions were school. One person is in custody in relation to the threats made on Friday. According to reports, operations concerning the clearing of customs at the terminal in downtown Kingston were reportedly affected by today's threat. People from several buildings were evacuated as the authorities secured the compound and made checks to the areas. Kingston Wharf issued a statement confirming that the operations have been suspended for November the 13th. This is the latest in a series of bomb threats that have been affecting operations at several institutions on the island within a matter of days. On Thursday, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzbailey confirmed that 71 institutions were impacted by the bomb threats between Thursday, November the 9th and Friday, November the 10th, including a hospital and a court building. All other targets were educational institutions, include B0mb and Lennon High School in Clarendon, Woolmer's Girls School, St. George's College in Kingston, Old Harbour and Greater Portmore High in St. Catherine, and B0mb Memorial High School in Trelawney. Fitzbailey further stated that the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF continues to lead with the multi-agency investigation and will maintain dialogue with its international counterpart. He gave the assurance that the JCF, with support from the law enforcement partners, and will investigate all reports received as every threat is treated as serious until proven otherwise. The Deputy Commissioner of Police, Mr. Fitzbailey, also encouraged citizens to take the necessary precautions to protect themselves, but maintained that there is no need to panic, as all the evidence gathered so far indicates that the threats are all a hoax. Justice Minister Delroy Chop meanwhile had some strong words for the pranksters making the bomb threats and causing mischief and panic within the society. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.